The arcade joystick connect with switch by Type-C to USB adapter. Then once connected successfully, there was a light here to show it's connecting successfully. Next, when we move the joystick, it's working on switch. How to set this? Okay, so the OB is entered. This make the Pro controller on so it can connect. Okay, so the B is enter, A is back. Now let's choose a game. Kirby game. Alright. Okay, let's go. Up, down, left, right. So mostly these 4 keys has function. Okay, jump. So for Switch, this controller is good for games, also for arcade fighting games. Okay, that's the connector of Switch. Of course, you can connect with PS4, okay, with Xbox One, with Switch. So controller is good. Okay, on the keys you can see Trouble, Macro, Home, Share options. And the 8 buttons: A, B, X, Y, L, E, L1, L2, R1, R2, joystick. Then we can see there is a USB. When we connect the joystick with PS4 or Xbox One, we can use the original gamepad to plug into this USB port, and then use the original gamepad to guide this joystick into the PS4 or Xbox One. Okay, that's today's video. Hope you're enjoying shopping in Cdragon game store, enjoying games. I'm Jimmy Chen. See you next time. Bye bye.